Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in with Magnific AI. In order to do so, first off we are going to go to magnific.ai, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. If you look around, you're not going to see any specific options related to logging in, and so all we're going to do is we're either going to select upscale, transform, or generate an image here or up in the corner. When we click on that, that's going to give us a screen here that's going to give us the option to sign in either with Google, Twitter, or with an email. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google and accept the privacy policy. We'll just click that there and give it a moment here. Okay, it just needed a moment there to think, and now we're all logged in with Magnific. And you could see here that it's going to take us straight to the subscription page where we have a couple